Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the release preview channel, which is the build 22631.3951, and this is a build for version 23H2. Of course, all these builds that are released to the release preview channel will be released also on the main release as the C release for the month of July, maybe in about 2 weeks. So in this video, we're going to talk about the new features that Microsoft is implementing and adding, of course, to the release preview channel, and in about 2 weeks also on the main release as an optional update. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, we have notification for Windows Share in China. For nearby sharing to work, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be on. If they are off when you turn on nearby sharing, Windows will ask you to allow them to be turned on. Also, if we open up the File Explorer in this build, and if you right click on the tab, we're going to notice that Microsoft is adding this new option, Duplicate Tab, which is a pretty useful one. If you click on it, that certain tab will be duplicated. For example, if I'm in the videos section, I can duplicate this tab really easily. I can have 2 tabs in the same location in the File Explorer. Also, the ability to drag files from the pinned section of the start menu to the taskbar is now available in this build. You can just drag an app that is pinned to the start menu to the taskbar, for example, the Paint app, and it will be pinned, and then you can right click on it and unpin from taskbar if you don't want it. But basically, any app that is installed on your system and pinned to the taskbar can be easily pinned to the taskbar as well, as easy as that. Also, Microsoft is improving the File Explorer reliability in this build by applying a few fixes for certain issues, and these are the main issues that Microsoft is fixing. For example, File Explorer memory leak when interacting with archive folders, the spacing between your desktop icons unexpectedly may become extremely wide, starting a search from home in File Explorer may unexpectedly show no results the first time you attempt a search. The address bar dropdown appears unexpectedly sometimes while you're using File Explorer, for example, when renaming a file. After a DWM crash, when you open File Explorer, it may just show a blank area on top instead of rendering the area correctly. File Explorer doesn't react when using the back and forward buttons on a mouse while hovering over the recommended file section of home. The search box doesn't show the correct folder names when you are in the gallery. Pictures in File Explorer gallery might flash or flicker when scrolling, and also when using the save dialog, if you try to save a file to gallery in File Explorer, it shows an error. So basically, for all these issues, Microsoft has applied a fix, and the fixes could be slowly rolling out even if you are on this build, but just make sure to wait patiently for this. Also, if you open up the settings app, then go to system and then go to for developers, you're going to have this option End Task, enable End Task in taskbar by right click. If you have this enabled, basically you can easily end a task in the taskbar, but Microsoft is updating the logic for this option in the taskbar so it no longer shows a not responding dialog to give information before ending the task, and this is pretty useful, I think. And there are also multiple fixes that Microsoft has applied to this build, but they are not as big, so I'm not going to mention them. If you want to see them and the full list of fixes, you can check out the article below in the video's description or the official Microsoft blog post. So basically, these are the new features that are coming to the main release of Windows 11. I think this is pretty interesting, and let me know below in the comments what is your favorite new addition that Microsoft is adding in this build. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Imani from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.